Hello guys. Okay, so right, you installed your Kontakt, your library, but you're playing your keyboard. You turned off your local, but you're playing your keyboard, but you can't get any sound, and it can be very frustrating. I mean, and then before we proceed, don't forget to get my power bank. Look at this. This keyboard is run by my power bank. Even though there's light, but I hardly use light because I have power banks. Come and grab your copy now, my keyboard power bank. Okay, so no sound. So what do we do? All right, so come to your Kontakt. Come to this MIDI channel here. It's always on Omni. Pick it like this and choose part A. Choose one, right? Then come to File, Options. For some Kontakt version, it could be Preference. Just come here and come to MIDI, right? And then this is my keyboard here, digital keyboard. You can see it's off. So put it on port A. And now we should get sound. Look at it. Can you see? Now it's working. So if, in case you are having that issue, don't forget to use this fix to solve your issues. All right. And don't forget to get my keyboard power bank. It works for all these keyboards and many more. Right. Don't forget to get my keyboard power bank. Don't forget to get that. I have, even if you want to buy up to 100, I have a lot of them. God bless you. Thank you.